Hello all, I'm Wild War Chief and welcome to Airsoft Kitchen. Alright. How's it going, guys? My name's Wild War Chief and I've decided I wanted to do a line of cooking videos. I do play a decent amount of Airsoft, and I like cooking whenever I go out there. This line of videos is going to be about all the meals that I've made at the Airsoft games. And I just want to prove that you don't have to worry about going out to eat at a fast food restaurant prior to a game. And all these meals are easy to make, don't take too long, and relatively healthier than what you might find at a fast food joint like McDonald's or whatever. So I just want to walk you through. They're very easy to do, and yeah, you'll probably make some friends along the way. So let's jump right in. I want to do a quick meal. Let's say a meal. It's more like a dessert. And I wanted to do some Dutch oven peach cobbler. And it's relatively versatile. You can do a couple other things with it, like apple or pear. So let's jump in, show the ingredients, and we'll see what we can do. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we want to get a bunch of coals going. Put quite a bit in there. Try to get over 30. Let's get this going. That on top. And there we go. Now we just gotta wait for the coals to set up. Okay. So the ingredients we're gonna be doing are very simple. It's not gonna cost you too much. We're going to do a box of yellow or white cake mix, 2 cans of peaches in heavy syrup. I have also done this with pears, really good. We'll use some butter, preferably get a stick of butter, and if you want, some ground cinnamon. So we're also going to need a 10-inch Dutch oven. For easy cleanup, have a liner in there. Alright, so we'll just do the whole thing of cake mix. Corner off of that. We'll actually do the pears. The peaches. Ooh, I am all over the place there. We'll do the peaches first. Just dump those right in there. It's easier if you get them cut up, sliced. Both cans go in. Now we do the cake mix. Spread that over top. Doesn't have to be nice, doesn't have to be pretty. Just try to get it an even coat. Now we'll take our butter. And we're going to cut 5 equal thickness squares out of it. After we get those in there, now we'll sprinkle some cinnamon. And that's pretty much the dish. Go ahead and put that lid on there. And now we'll go right over to the coals. Alright, back over here at the coals, I'm going to set that down right there. And let me grab my gloves. Don't really want to mess with hot coals without gloves. Get that dumped out. There. And now we're going to want to do about 15 coals on the bottom, and then we'll do 12 coals on the lid. So set this off to the side real quick. Anything, keep that pile of hot coals off to the side. You might want to toss on a couple fresh coals because you might need to slide more underneath. Now we'll just let this sit like this for about an hour. And I'll see you then. Alright, so an hour has gone by. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good, don't it? Let's do this. Take these coals off the lid. All right, now let's take this off the fire. All right. That. Alright, let's go ahead and grab ourselves a bowl, shall we? Those off to the side. Let's do it. And like I said before, you can substitute the peaches for pears or apples, and it'll be just as good. I find you do not need ice cream with this. It is really good by itself. Oh yeah. And the great part is, you can have this going while you're setting up your campsite. And you will have plenty to share with all your campsite neighbors. Alright, so I think we're going to end it here for today. I want to thank y'all for joining me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this dish. If y'all like what I've done, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And if you have any ideas on what I can make next, leave a comment down below. But until then, Wild War Chief, going dark.